Bidirectional links is a really powerful concept to connect information together. I'll show you two cases, like meeting tracking and feedback management. Let's say you track your meetings in Firebird, so you have daily meetings, project status meetings, and just like trace notes here. Let's say Teddy completed some feature, so you can, as first way to add bidirectional link is to just push sharp key and find what you need, like let's say Teddy completed Gmail connector. So this feature is done, and Jerry completed like Google Doc connector. And now if you navigate to this feature, let's say this one, you see a back reference to a meeting. So if you discuss some important information, you can just mention this feature and you have a back reference to daily meeting, so you can quickly jump to it. And let's navigate to Gmail connector. It will take some time maybe to proceed to process this information, and we should see in a couple of seconds like a back reference to daily meeting again. So that's the first way how you can mention features and see what was discussed on a meeting. Another way is feedback management. Let's say we track our conversations with potential customers and with customers, and you just put transcripts of all the conversations into Firebird. This is conversation with Kate, and you can link text to some insights, ideas, and so on. Let's say Kate is complaining that current UI is kind of bleak, not so shiny, so you can just select a text and use this command, link to entity. It's command plus L if you want to use shortcut. So you can just click it and find what you can link to or create a new entity. Let's say we want to create a new feature from this, like themes in our product. So we want to have like bright themes. And now you want to create a feature, so you just find feature here and let's create it. And you see feature is created, and this piece of text link it to this feature. And if we navigate to this feature, we should find a back reference here. Again, we see what Kate exactly told us about like themes, and we see how our feature relates to this feedback. Again, we can navigate just exactly to the place where this feature was mentioned. And here is how you connect your feedback to your work, for example. And in these cases, we just selected some insights. Let's say some people are more grumpy in rainy days. This is our insight. And again, you see that it referenced back to Kate conversation. So you can just navigate to it and see the source of your insights, source of your features.